In this video, we're going to show you how to automatically apply a template to a new note in Obsidian. Templates are a great way to keep your notes organized and consistent. They allow you to start every new note with predefined headings, sections, checklists, and other content that you use regularly. However, manually inserting a template every time you create a new note can become repetitive, especially if you create notes frequently throughout the day. The good news is that Obsidian provides ways to automatically apply templates to new notes, helping you save time and streamline your workflow. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to set up automatic templates and ensure that every new note starts with the structure you want. So let's get started. First, open Obsidian on your computer. Click the Settings icon in the lower left corner. Next, navigate to Core Plugins and make sure the Templates plugin is enabled. If you're using a community plugin, such as Templater, make sure it is installed and enabled as well. Now, create a folder that will store your templates. Inside this folder, create a new note that contains the content you want to appear automatically in future notes. For example, you can add headings, task lists, note properties, dates, or project sections. Once your template is ready, save the note. Next, open the settings for your template plugin. Locate the option that allows templates to be applied automatically when new notes are created. Select the template you want to use as the default template. Save your settings. Now, create a new note inside your vault. The template content will automatically be inserted into the note without requiring any manual action. This means every new note can start with the same structure and formatting. You can also create different templates for different folders and workflows depending on your needs. This makes it easy to keep projects, journals, meeting notes, and research notes organized. In most situations, automatic templates can significantly reduce repetitive work. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, enable the Templates plugin or a template automation plugin. Second, create a template containing the content you want to reuse. Third, configure the plugin to automatically apply that template to new notes. And finally, create a new note and verify that the template is inserted automatically. Remember that automatic templates can save time, improve consistency, and help maintain an organized vault. They are especially useful for users who frequently create notes with similar structures. Using automatic templates can also reduce formatting mistakes and ensure important sections are never forgotten. Taking a few minutes to set up template automation can make your note-taking workflow much faster and more efficient. And that's how to automatically apply a template to a new note in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of Obsidian. If there's another Obsidian feature or plugin you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.